Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually download Instagram Reels for free. Let's first go to the Instagram app and try to find any Reels that we want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this Reels over here. All we gotta do is to go on the three small icons underneath and click on the paper airplane arrow. Over here you have an option over here, the second button is copy link. When you click copy link, okay, now is the easiest part. Easiest part is you need to go on this website over here. It's called snapinsta.app. When you click on it, you come over here in the box, you paste the link and you click download. Usually process very fast depending on the traffic, but essentially they are going to convert and you're gonna download the actual video from the Instagram and they're gonna give you the link for it. Over here is the video and this is the link where you're gonna click. You wanna make sure guys that you always check which link is the accurate one and don't click on some spammy advertisement with a fake download button. Okay guys, for more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.